I've been having a lot of issues with my 300ZX, fueling issues. So my fuel pump doesn't actually work at the moment. Like, it works, it's a good fuel pump, but it doesn't work. So I've just been messing around trying to create a little diagram that I can just wire straight into the car, and hopefully, if this diagram goes as like I've organized it, I guess. Alright, give me a second. Okay, so I've rested that on there, so my positive goes all the way around and through there, and then, oh shit, okay. Yeah, okay, so my positive, orange, going through there, going through there. I don't know which way is what, but yeah. Oh, fuck, okay, well, yeah, it worked. Hello mate, how you doing? You alright? Oh, sorry, tika. I'm scared. Hey. Oh, let me come off. Yeah. And it lights up as well. So yeah, I think I got the right diagram. We'll wire it into the car tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll see what happens in it. I just want to get that car running, man.